Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Gian Flores. I'm 34 years old, high school graduate, single mother of 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. Age 18 years old, 14 years old, and 11 years old. From Rosales, Pangasinan, Philippines. I have experience as a domestic helper in Oman for more than 2 years. And I know also how to clean the house, wash clothes, ironing, cooking, wash plates, gardening, and carrying a newborn baby. To my soon to be employer, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibility with love and dedication. I hope that I will be a part of your family as my own family. I'm a happy person. I'm a motivated, honest, and hardworking. Thank you so much.